Question number 1. Chandragupta Maurya defeated which dynasty? Correct answer is option A, Nanda dynasty. Question number 2. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Correct answer is option C, Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 3. In which year was the third battle of Panipat fought? Correct answer is option B, 1761. Question number 4. When was the Constitutional Assembly of India formed? Correct answer is option B, in 1946. Question number 5. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B, B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 6. When was the Indian Constitution adopted? Correct answer is option D, November 26 in 1949. Question number 7. What was the name of Babur's autobiography? Correct answer is option A, Baburnama. Question number 8. Who was a prominent leader of the Swadeshi movement? Correct answer is option B, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 9. Who founded the Indian National Army? Correct answer is option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 10. In which year was the non-cooperation movement launched? Correct answer is option A, in 1920. Question number 11. Who was the first Indian to become the Governor General of Independent India? Correct answer is option C, Raja Gopalachari. Question number 12. When was the first amendment of the Indian Constitution made? Correct answer is option C, in 1951. Question number 13. Who was the prominent leader of the Swadeshi movement? Correct answer is option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 14. Who was the first president of independent India? Correct answer is option C, Rajendra Prasad. Question number 15. In which year was the Indian National Army formed by Subhash Chandra Bose? Correct answer is option C, in 1943. Question number 16. Who was the Viceroy of India when the partition of Bengal was annulled? Correct answer is option D, Lord Hardinge. Question number 17. Who was the prominent leader of the social reform movement in India? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 18. In which year was the first Indian Council Act passed? Correct answer is option B, 1861. Question number 19. Which city was the first session of the Indian National Congress held in? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Question number 20. Who was the British Governor General at the time of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Correct answer is option A, Lord Kilford. Question number 21. Who was the founder of the Bharamo Samaj? Correct answer is option B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 22. Which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi against the Rowlatt Act in 1980? Correct answer is option B. Non-cooperation movement. Question number 23. Who wrote Hind Swaraj? Correct answer is option A. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 24. Who established the first printing press in India? Correct answer is option C. James Augustus Hickey. Question number 25. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 26. What was the capital of India before Delhi? Correct answer is option B. Kolkata. Question number 27. Who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan after the partition? Correct answer is option B. Liaquat Ali Khan. Question number 28. Who wrote the national song of India Vande Mataram? Correct answer is option B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 29. Who was the first President of India? Correct answer is option A. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 30. Under whose leadership was the Indian National Army established? Correct answer is option D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 31. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi lead the Salt March? Correct answer is option A. In 1930. Question number 32. How many sessions of the Indian National Congress were held under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi? Correct answer is option D. 7. Question number 33. Who established the Navratnas 9 game in Akbar's court? Correct answer is option A. Emperor Akbar. Question number 34. Which Mughal emperor is known for constructing the Taj Mahal? Correct answer is option C. Shah Jahan. Question number 35. What was the original name of Swami Vivekananda? Correct answer is option A. Nirendranath Datta. Question number 36. Which road did Sher Shah Suri improve? Correct answer is option B. Delhi to Kabul. Question number 37. Who presided over the Kolkata session of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option B. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 38. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize in Physics? Correct answer is option A. C.V. Raman. Question number 39. Which movement is associated with the slogan Quiet India? Correct answer is option C. Quiet India movement. Question number 40. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? Correct answer is option A. Swami Vivekananda.